Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Today we will be making peanut butter cookies, and these are the best peanut butter cookie recipe, and I'm so excited for you guys to try them. So let's go ahead and get right on into the video.
Okay, so actually my dad, while I was growing up, he kept on raving about these peanut butter cookies that he used to get in high school at school lunch, and he kept going on and on and on about them, like how good they were. And so finally me and mom were like, okay, well, we've got to find the recipe. So she actually posted on Facebook, does anyone have this peanut butter cookie recipe from like the school or whatever? And so she posted it for her friends, but none of them knew. Actually, someone's grandmother was a school lunchroom worker, and so she commented and gave us the recipe, and so we were so excited about this, and I'm so excited for you guys to try this, so let's go ahead and get right onto the video. Okay, so first I'm going to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. First I'm going to add in half a cup of Crisco. Now I'm going to add in 3/4 a cup of Jif peanut butter, and I'm using the creamy kind. Add in 1 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar. Now I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that all together. Okay, so now that this is well mixed together, I'm gonna go ahead and add an egg. Mix this up just until it's combined, like just barely combined, if that makes sense. Okay, so now in a separate bowl, I'm gonna add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And now I'm gonna mix this together. This mixture and mix it in with this mixture, and by adding it slowly and mixing this on low. Okay, so now I'm gonna lightly grease a cookie sheet, and I like to use Baker's Joy. This dough, and you get about spoonfuls of it, just about that much, and just put it on the sheet. So I also wanted to mention before you put them in the oven to go ahead and mash them down. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven. It says to do it for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, so now that the cookies are out of the oven, I'm going to allow them to cool for 2 minutes and then transfer them to a foil sheet. Okay, so for one batch, I did push it down with a spoon, but this batch, I'm gonna go ahead and push it down and crisscross it with a fork and see which one I think turns out better, because the first batch I did with a spoon, but I think I could turn it out better if I did it with a fork. I liked them best when I did the crisscross on them. I think it made it the best outcome, so I'd recommend doing that.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. These cookies were delicious. Please subscribe to my channel, and also if you subscribe, you can be entered in the giveaway. Bye!